Hi, welcome to the Smart Wood Shop. So I'm working away on the Paulk total station, working out a lot of bugs and details, and I'm refining, and I'm continuing to make changes and actually going back to SketchUp and trying a few different things, really trying to dial it in. So it's taken a little longer, but I'm recording the video, and it's going to be a lot of fun when I put it all together and show you the build from start to finish. But I wanted to take a quick break and talk about a tool deal that's going on right now. This is from Bosch, and it is Spade Bits. Now, obviously, I have nothing to do with Bosch, and they obviously have no idea I'm making this video, but it was such a good deal that I really thought that I wanted to tell you about it because I think it's just one of those holiday deals. So it is, I'll tell you the deal and where to get it. But first, I want to open it up, try out the bits, and make sure that they're worthwhile. They are kind of neat looking. They have the speed tips, and then they have an auger tip that's kind of a screw tip to help draw it in. None of the spade bits that I have purchased in the past have had that, so it'll be interesting to see how that works. Now these have a shank on them so they can be chucked in to a drill, or they also have the hex on the end so they can be put in one of the magnetic quick releases. And I don't normally run them that way, I'll chuck them in, but for this purpose I think we'll be fine. You can see that. That's a nice clean hole. This is through plywood, an AC type plywood. It's Moreland ultralight. And so it has a really thin outer layer, a beautiful outer layer, but it's pretty thin. And you can see that even on the backside, of course I had it up against a backer, but even on the backside it cut through that thin really well. So I like them. Obviously I'll put them through their paces, but also notice they have a kind of a curvature to them too, which probably helps them dig in. They're a little fast and they pull, so normally I'll keep spinning and then with my other spade bits, I'll keep spinning and then just back it out. And this one tended to want to keep pulling, so I'd have to change my technique a bit and actually let off on the drill before I pulled it out. But yeah, so it pretty aggressive cut, but really clean. And again, that's an AC ply, which is probably the most demanding for a bit to be clean because the layers are thinner. Going through a hardwood or solid wood, obviously it's less demanding. Here's the deal. They're Bosch brand, and I got them at Home Depot. It shows a $55 value, but the everyday price I thought was pretty good. It was $20, $19.99. But they have them right now for $10. I think it's like $9.99 or $9.98. So for $10, you can get 12 of these. So less than $1 a piece. Quite a smoking deal. So again, I only found it at Home Depot. I looked on Amazon to see if I could just find it there for you and put a link or put it in my store. But there were some other sizes and some other values. This particular one, I only found it and it was like $45 plus shipping plus tax. But that's a lot of resellers do that. They'll grab products that they don't even have in stock and they just hope somebody will foolishly buy it from them. So I could not find this kit, this 12-bit kit at a legitimate source online other than at Home Depot. Now it is online at Home Depot. I don't know their shipping deal, but if you go directly there, you can pick up this dozen-bit kit for $10. I thought this is a great deal, and I just wanted to take a minute to pass it on to you. If you like these videos, you want to keep dropping into the Smart Wood Shop and see what I'm doing, be sure to subscribe, ring the bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. Most important, give me a thumbs up, a like, and share the channel with your friends so you can help me grow my subscriber base. Also, if you want a set of workbench plans or Smart Wood Shop plans, you can click on the link right here at the end of the video or in the description down below. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.